How to block IP address in GoDaddy. The first thing that we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website. Now right here we will click on our name and go into my products. From the products page, if we scroll down, you should be able to see web hosting. If you don't see web hosting, it means that you have not purchased a hosting plan. So you need to purchase a hosting plan, click on it, and then select manage. Now from the page that loads up here, we will select cPanel admin, which is going to refer us to the cPanel website. And if we scroll down, you will be able to see right here IP blocker. So if we find the IP blocker and just click on it, we can type the single IP address or a range or an implied range and all these different options here. So just type out the IP address which we want to block, click on add, and then it's going to show up right here underneath it. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.